In this video, we are showcasing the stunning installation of our SmartZip flagship in the luxurious rooms of the Grand Copthorne Waterfront Hotel. Make sure to watch this video until the end so you don't miss the perfect blend of beauty and functionality. Look at this wonderful hotel atmosphere. Follow us now to check out our stunning SmartZip flagship installation. Here it is! The beautiful view can be enjoyed at any time by opening it. However, it can also be closed during hot weather or for private meetings. Let's find out more. Say goodbye to jamming and misalignment with our automotive balancing system and dual volume bottom bar. And this. Look at the beauty of the luxurious room and the functionality of our SmartZip flagship. Once again, we would like to express our appreciation to the Grand Copthorne Waterfront Hotel for installing our stunning SmartZip flagship. Contact us now to get your stunning SmartZip flagship today.